In this update, I do my November drive along Brightline's under construction Orlando line. I'll present the highlights of the work starting at Narcoossee Road in Orlando and ending up where the Orlando line will join into the existing FEC main line in Cocoa. Here at Narcoossee Road, progress continues on the bridge that will take the tracks over the exit and entrance ramps along with the roadway. Most of the ramp on the west side of the road is complete. Crews are still working on the various pilings. No work has been done on the eastern ramp yet. At the OUC Stanton rail line, more pilings are in place for the bridge that will take Brightline's tracks over the existing line. Work seems to be focused on the area by the power lines right now. By the lake, work looks to be beginning on what will end up being an interchange that will connect Brightline's line to the OUC rail line. At the Econlockhatchee River, it looks like all the pilings are now in place for the future bridge. The ramp leading to the bridge over Dallas Blvd is nearing completion with grass now laid on the sides. Over by the large borrow pits, the crane is getting deeper down as more dirt is removed. The dirt removed from this location is used to raise the roadbed along the route. By the equipment and material staging area, more new signal bungalows have been delivered, although they are a little hard to see behind the bushes. This section of roadbed west of State Road 520 is also looking to be nearing completion. I noticed several cables sticking out of the ground, likely for future signals. The ramp for the bridge over State Road 520 starts here. It also has fresh grass on the sides. Unlike the existing Florida East Coast Railway corridor, Brightline's new line to Orlando will not have any grade crossings. With the limited amount of development along the route, it was possible to have grade separation at all roadways. At Second Creek, all the pilings are in place and should be getting concrete headers soon. At Jim Creek, it looks like all the work on the pilings are finished. The next step should be delivery and installation of the beams going across it. All of the pilings are also now in place at the Narcoossee Wildlife Management Area access road as well. The small ramp leading to the bridges of the St. Johns River starts here. Crews are working on several of the bridge segments going across the river right now. Bridges and all infrastructure associated with this route are being built to double-track standards, even though it will be single-tracked initially. East of the river, work has really been advancing on the road bed as more and more fill is brought in. Here starts the work on the overall Interstate 95 interchange. The ramp here is nearing completion, although some work is still necessary on the supports on either side of Pine Street. The west side of the bridge over Interstate 95 still has some work to be done, but the other supports and the east bridge abutment are almost complete. This large pile of dirt will eventually be the future alignment of the 528 going over the tracks. To finish off, here's a drive past the future tunnel segments that will go under the 528 here in Cocoa. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.